Guys, welcome to my channel Viceman. So today I'm going to show you that how can you split a cell of a table diagonally. So as you can see, sometimes we require to provide two different naming for rows and for a column, right? So I need to divide a cell and I need to divide that cell into two different parts, as you can see, diagonally. So how can we do that in Microsoft Word in generally the table? So first thing is that let me delete this. So I'm deleting the table. First thing is that you need to go to insert, go to table and provide the number of rows and number of columns for your table, right? Now as you can see, if you insert a table, it will look like this. There is no diagonally division of any cell. So what you can do, go to borders, and over here you can see there are different types of borders, but also you can see there is a diagonal border, diagonal and up border. So depending on what you need, you can divide, you can select that any options of taking of doing division of a cell diagonally up or diagonally down. Generally down is used. Now we have done this, but if you write anything, it will give you something overlapping with the diagonal, right? So what you need to do, go to home, select this one, align right. Now let's say I want to write task over here. So task is for this thing, which is for the columns, and now I want to write month over here. So for that, hit the enter and now select this one, align left and write months. Now as you can see, there is gap between month and this line which is at the bottom. So this can happen because of this spacing. So based on that, you can just select one spacing and you can see that now the table looks very good with the diagonal division of the first cell. So in this way you can just use this trick to diagonally divide a cell and give the number of values for the columns and the rows, and that's it. So if this video be helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Viceman. Thank you.